Hi guys, I am Poonam and welcome back to your channel All That I Wonder. If you are new and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, thank you so much for watching the videos. It means really a lot to me. And also if you are new, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today's video is all about Amazon bottom wear haul, Amazon trousers haul. So this time I went ahead and purchased some trousers and bottom wear from Amazon, and all of them are affordable. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first bottom wear is this pant. These are trousers and they are these, what are they called? I think they are called paper bag trousers. As you can see, there is all these detailing at the waist area, and these are high-waisted trousers, and they have this belt with them, and they come in this beautiful teal kind of color. I don't know what color is this exactly, but it's really looking very nice. And they are full straight up to the ankle. They fit really well up to the ankle, and they are very comfortable, and they are in cotton material. I really like how they are looking on me, and they are very comfortable to wear, and they are so reasonable. Also, there are so many colors available in these trousers, so you can buy any color that you like, but I really love this color. It's a different kind of a color. I don't have any bottom wear in this kind of a color, so I went ahead and bought this one. I love how it's looking on me. It's really nice. If you are looking for a bottom wear in really reasonable price, then you should definitely check this one. These are from one of the brands of Amazon, which is Symbol, and all the prices and everything will be mentioned on the screen and in the description box below. The next trousers are these ones. These are from Jaipur Kurti. They have this sleek straight pattern at the front, and they have these elasticated band at the back, which makes it really comfortable to wear. They are completely plain straight fit till the ankle, and they fit really well towards the ankle. This is how they look from the bottom, and they have a slight cut at the bottom. You can wear them just as is with any t-shirt, or you can also pair them with your kurtis as well. They are so comfortable in cotton material once again, and they are so reasonable. I think there are a lot of colors available in this one also. So if you are looking for reasonable trousers, then go ahead and check this one. These grey pants are also high-waisted, and high-waisted patterns are so in these days. The next pair of bottoms are these denims. These are from the brand called Freakins, and they are also high-waisted. They have this kind of detailing at the waist area, so you can go ahead and adjust them. If it is a little loose or little tight to you, then you have a scope of adjustment, just a little bit of scope of adjustment on both the sides. There are these clips on both the sides, and they have button closure and a normal chain like this. And they are these baggy kind of jeans. They are looking so nice. Material is also really nice and comfortable. That's a jeans material, but a cotton kind of very lightweight jeans material, and they are very baggy, as you can see, and they also fit towards the ankle only. And this is how they look from the bottom. They have these kind of pockets, and this is the back, as you can see. There's just one thing, I don't know, they're smelling like, I don't know, they have just come out of the factory, or there's very weird kind of smell coming out of the denims, which is of bleach or something. But that's not a problem. I think after washing, that smell should go away. You should definitely go ahead and check. If you're looking for baggy jeans, these are perfect. I really love the fit of it. Now, these were all the trousers. I also bought one shirt along with it. So this is the shirt. This is again from Amazon's own brand, which is Symbol. It's a shirt in this brown color, which has this detailing all over the shirt in a contrast color, as you can see. It has this pocket kind of detailing on both the sides in the front of the shirt, and it has long sleeves, as you can see. You can fold them or wear long as you like. but the shirt is looking so nice and it's so comfortable also. The material is also really nice, and plus it is so affordable, and it is looking so nice after wearing. I really love this shirt. Next, I also bought a pair of shoes once again this time, and these are once again from Carlton London. This is how they look like. They are in this beautiful nude pink kind of color, and this is how they look like. They have a block heel, and the heel is also quite comfortable. I think it is about 2 inches or something, and in the front they have this round kind of shape, and they fit really well and are looking really nice. I really love these shoes. They are great. They are kind of in nude pink color only, so they will go with everything that you wear. If I want to wear heels for an entire day, then I will definitely look for block heels because they are much more comfortable as compared to pencil heels. If you are looking for something like this, then definitely go ahead and check it. So this was all about today's Amazon try on haul, today's Amazon trousers haul basically. So for today's video, my main focus was on trousers and bottom wear to share with you all, comfortable and chic and in great quality and in reasonable prices. And I also bought a shirt and a shoes that I shared with you. Right now sale is also going on Amazon, so go ahead and check. Also make sure to subscribe, it really means a lot to me. And my Instagram handle is All That I Wonder. All the links are given in the description box. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you all take care, love yourself and be happy. Bye.